Let's build a data set and create a diagram to show pay rate by department. First, we'll click this Excel button to connect a new data source and build a data set from it. Since we'd like to analyze some human resources data, it makes sense to name the data set that as well. Now let's get the data. The program will ask us whether we would like to build a diagram based on this new data set. We'll choose yes, so that we get a totally blank view. Now we'd like to see the pay rate by department. First, let's pick a name that reflects the content, like pay rate by department. On the left side, you'll see the available fields that we can use in our diagram. The measures represent the values that we'll analyze within the diagram. We can select multiple ones from the dataset's fields. Let's use pay rate as a measure by dragging and dropping the view, and we'll apply an averaging summation. Next, we'll move to the drill down levels, which will show us how the measures are grouped. By stepping from one level to another, we can manage the granularity of the data being analyzed, and we can also get more and more detailed information. Let's add 2 drill down levels, the position and the department. Also, this order is not fixed, so we can change it by dragging and dropping whenever we want in order to get our best sequence. You can move them just like this. See how the groups were changed? To create a more complex picture that is still really easy to analyze, let's add a breakdown aspect that will split every dimension into multiple ones. We'll use the gender category for this. Notice how the data split? You can now see a group for every department, including bars to see the number of females and males in each. Take a look at the executive office group. There's only one bar for the females since there are no males in the executive office in this particular data set. Now we'll exclude California. We can do this easily by using a condition that excludes specific values. Let's build a condition that excludes this value so the state won't be equal to California. Finally, we'll look at the first 3 values by setting this value on the Settings tab. That's it! Now you've gotten a feel for the main features and settings of a diagram, as well as how to analyze one by your preferred values. Check out our other videos to learn about other useful functions.